So today we are going to go through the features of the 584023 Proflame 1 series silver remotes. Now this 023 comes with enabled features of the height of the flame and the speed of the fan. Now because this unit only has these two features enabled, these are the only two features that will be shown on the screen. However, if you have a silver remote that has an auxiliary or a split flow valve icon, this can be reprogrammed and that feature can be added. We're going to go through quick steps of how to add features to your Proflame 1 silver remote. We're going to start with turning the unit off. We're going to remove the cover, take the battery cover off, take one of the batteries, slide it out so that there's no power on the remote. So you're not removing the battery completely, you're just sliding one of the batteries slightly out. I use the top one, flipping it over. Now, when you go to set your features, you're going to push the top power button and the bottom mode button. At that time, you're going to take and with your finger, pop this battery in. So I do it here, I've got the bottom, and then I just pop that in, and now you'll see we're in a CFG mode, which means configure. So release the bottom mode button, keep your thumb on the top, keep that pressed the entire time we're doing this. What we're going to do is now we're going to use the mode button to go to the next feature, and this would be considered your lights in this situation. We're going to turn that on. Then we'll go to the next feature, which is a split flow valve. We're going to turn that feature on. So as you go across these, anything down is going to turn the feature off. So I can turn all these features off, or I can turn them on. Simply with the up and down arrow, I'm going to turn them on or off. Once this is done, let go of the button. The unit is now powered off. Place your battery cover back on, and now all your features will be enabled. This will allow you to control the height of the flame here, the speed of the blower here, the lights here, and the split flow valve here. So we're going to get a quick demonstration here of all these features being turned on. So we're going to turn our unit on. That's our fan. You can hear it in the background. We're turning it down. Turn it all the way to off. Our lights, turn them on, turn them off. And our split flow, you'll hear the noise from the split flow. Oops. If you have a split flow valve, what this does is it turns on an additional flame in the back for some of the higher end fireplaces. So at this point, we can turn the unit off, and that's the simple instructions for reprogramming your silver Proflame 1 remote.